Welcome to 555 campsite in Cavinti Laguna. A hidden gem surrounded by lush greenery, fresh air, and a refreshing lake view. The perfect spot to relax, unwind, and enjoy nature at its finest. As soon as we arrived, we were welcomed by the beauty of the surroundings. Tall trees, the cool breeze, and the peaceful atmosphere. Everywhere you look, it's green and refreshing, making it the perfect escape from the busy city life. One of our favorite parts was staying at the cabin. It's cozy and inviting, and right outside we had the chance to enjoy our meal with a stunning view of the lake. Dining outdoors with this kind of scenery made the experience truly unforgettable. Here at 5558 campsite, you don't just relax, you create lasting memories. Whether you want to go camping, gather around a bonfire, or simply sit back and take in the view, this campsite has everything you need for the ultimate nature experience. If you're looking for a camping destination with a cool climate, beautiful views, and Instagram-worthy spots, we highly recommend 5558 campsite in Cavinti Laguna. It's a must-visit for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Thank you for joining us here at 5558 campsite. If you're planning your next getaway, make sure to put this place on your list. You won't regret it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Lynn Mix Adventure and Motovlog for more travel and camping adventures. See you on the next journey.